Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best budget golf clubs that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first set or an experienced golfer wanting a budget-friendly upgrade, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. Let's get started with the video. At number 4, we have the Lazarus Premium Forged Golf Wedge Set. This set includes 52, 56, and 60-degree wedges, which are perfect for honing your short game. The wedges feature a micro-milled face that provides exceptional spin and control, giving you confidence from the fairway, fringe, or rough. The forged construction ensures top-notch quality at a fraction of the price of high-end brands. The design is sleek and high quality, with a black finish that looks fantastic on the course. The weight and balance feel premium, and the spin control is remarkable for the price point. However, this isn't a full set of clubs. It's specifically for players who want to sharpen their short game. If you're looking for a budget-friendly way to improve your chipping and pitching, this is an excellent choice. The biggest pro here is the value for money. You're getting high-quality wedges for a fraction of the cost of premium brands. On the flip side, the set is only for short game shots, so it's not suitable for those looking for a complete set. If you're serious about improving your approach game, this set is a no-brainer. Coming in at number 3 is the men's Callaway Complete Set of Golf Clubs with Callaway Bag. This is a full set of clubs that includes everything you need to hit the course. Callaway Edge irons, a driver, a 3-wood, a 5 hybrid, and a premium Odyssey white hot putter. The set comes with a lightweight automatic stand bag, making it easy to carry around the course. In terms of design and build quality, this set is solid. The irons feature steel shafts for added durability, while the woods and hybrid come with graphite shafts for maximum distance. The Odyssey putter is a standout, as it's one of the most popular models in the industry. However, the set is slightly heavier than some other options, which might be a factor for players who prefer ultra-lightweight gear. The pros of this set are its completeness, quality, and the inclusion of the Odyssey putter. The main con is that it's not as budget-friendly as some other options on this list, but you're definitely getting a lot of value for the price. This set is ideal for golfers who want a reliable, all-in-one solution. In the runner-up spot at number 2 is the Callaway Golf XR Complete Set. This set is designed for performance and includes everything you need: a driver, fairway woods, hybrids, irons, and a putter. The clubs are built with graphite shafts for a lightweight feel, making them ideal for players who prioritize speed and distance. The design is modern and sporty, with a blue and red color scheme that stands out. The XR set is geared towards intermediate players who want a balance of forgiveness and control. The clubs feel well-weighted, and the graphite shafts help reduce fatigue during long rounds. However, the set is slightly heavier overall, which might not appeal to players who are seeking ultra-lightweight options. The Callaway XR Complete Set strikes a great balance between performance and value. Pros include the lightweight design, high-quality components, and versatility. The main con is that it's better suited for intermediate players, so absolute beginners might find it a bit advanced. If you're stepping up your game and want a complete set that performs well, this is a fantastic choice. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Callaway Golf Men's Strata Complete Set. This 12-piece set is designed for maximum performance right out of the box. It includes a driver, a 3-wood, a 5 hybrid, irons 6/PW, a mallet putter, a stand bag, and 2 head covers. The driver features a titanium head with a large sweet spot, offering plenty of forgiveness and distance off the tee. The design and build quality are excellent. The stainless steel irons provide a great mix of forgiveness and control, while the mallet putter helps with alignment for more accurate putts. The stand bag is lightweight but sturdy, with plenty of pockets for your gear. This set is ideal for beginners and intermediate players who want a reliable, high-quality set without breaking the bank. The main pros of the Strata set are its completeness, quality, and beginner-friendly design. The only con is that the price range might be on the higher side for some budgets, but considering the performance and durability, it's worth the investment. If you're looking for the best all-around budget golf set, the Callaway Strata is the way to go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.